Independent client, customer Reed. This is Bird Construction. I wanted to go through this real quick to make sure that we had a documentation on what we're needing to finish up and what we have as far as parts. Basically, we're 100% except for a few parts. Now we got the light going to go on following us. This is a base 42 full height door, 18. This is a base 42 full height door. So we need to get the two doors for this, 21-inch doors each. We went ahead and put the knobs on them so they'd be here, but we do have replace wrote on there. Same thing here. Base 21 full height door, both doors. Here we've got a P3096. P3096. If you take a look at the left hand cabinet door, got a little crack right here in the stile, and is also, you can see it's the pinions are broken open on it. So this left hand door, P3096, the left hand door top needs to be replaced. If you also take a look here, we need 4 shelves. I forgot that in the order process. So I need a 4 shelf kit for the P3096, 4 shelf kit. Now the only other thing that we want to do is we want to get a new drawer front for this. There's a drill. A new drawer front for this this oven. It is a DO3096. DO3096. We need a 9 1/4 by 29 5/8. And I'm not sure exactly why, but if you take a look, the top of the drawer hole is actually hanging past the drawer. So the drawer front, I think, was just the wrong one. If you look, it's actually even with the bottom of the cabinet there. So the overlay is incorrect. And like I said, you can actually see inside of the drawer and see the brown of the drawer front, or the drawer box. And it is below the cutout of the actual hole opening. So it is too small. It needs to be 9 1/4 by 29 5/8, DO3096. Now, everything else, we are 100% on. We have, real quick, go through this one. This is your island. Basically, all of your doors and drawer fronts, everything in this one's just fine. Same thing over here, sink area, all that's done now. The apron sinks are all cut in. We got a makeshift door because of temperature. So let's get that over out of the way for a second. Okay, here's the laundry room. Laundry room, everything's 100%. And again, got the front of that all in good shape. All right, here we are, half bath. This one was pretty clean. 27 1-inch filler on the left. Master bath, and on this one we actually did the faux legs on the ends. You can see that over there, faux leg on the corner. This is going to be just like we're about to do for Mrs. Berry's job. So we did it on this job first for Mr. Reed, and I will send this picture to her to let her see that. Over here on this side, same thing. Again, all of the cabinets are matching for the master bath, left and right hand side. Okay, here's our fireplace area. Fireplace is going to have stone in the middle of it. The left hand side, we have left this piece of baseboard loose on the bottom here. We've left it loose so that if they need to cut in over here, the same baseboard that they have on the right, on the left, they'll have that piece loose where they don't have to do that. There is a color match touch-up kit for this color in the black, the Java, above the refrigerator cabinet. All 3 of the colors for this job are above the refrigerator cabinet as a touch-up kit. Up here we've got the shelves. We have 24 here, 21, 21, and a 9-foot ceiling. So good stagger on those. Customer chose to get a furniture wood top. It's a little dusty, but beautiful that it matches all the cabinets below it. So it's in that Java finish. Same thing over here, handles, everything are on. You take a look here, again, that's loose on the bottom. And again, we did the matching wood top on the bottom here. Same thing above, all the shelves above it. Okay, this is bath number 2. Bath number 2. faux legs on the left and on the right. So this one, again, full height door, bathroom vanities. So you can see all the way to the back of the cabinet, good shape. Guest bathroom number 3. Again, left to right, same layout. A little wider filler here because the width of the back of the room is wider. But again, furniture look, vanity, full height doors. Same thing here, all the hole cutouts are good. Okay, back to the front room. And again, I'm gonna show you above the refrigerator here. Got an extra, that's actually a can of mixed paint that matches the cabinets. It's in the moonlight finish. There's our touch-up kits, and we've got the touch-up roller in case it's needed. On the oven cutout, the oven that we seen showed the wiring in the bottom of this. I went ahead and cut this out all the way to the wall. If you do need to get into the bottom of this, there are 4 screws. Here, there, and there. Those 4 screws will take that entire floor out, and you can work on the electrical without having any problems and put the floor back in as you put the oven in. Otherwise, we got a little, also, and we've got a couple of pieces of extra filler here. Kitchen quarter round, this is the moonlight color. Vanity quarter round, this is the sweet tea color. We've got those here for the flooring guys whenever they get their flooring installed. We've got color match materials to hide all the shims and everything around the bottoms of the cabinets. Over here on the wall, I've got you a sweet tea color sample, moonlight color sample, and a Java color sample. Those are the 3 colors that you have in your kitchen, so you'll have something to go match tile and that kind of thing with. I believe that's it. If you have any questions, we'll be back sometime the second week or first week of January to replace these doors, put in these shelf kits, and just finish up a little one-day touch-up work order. But otherwise, we're about 100% complete as far as the initial set of the cabinets. Any questions, give me a call at 423-650-1051. Have a great day.